Hi, I'm Robert Herrick, and I'm very excited to be speaking at this year's CWA Annual Conference. I'll be talking about self-publishing essentials. These are the key steps that most authors miss when they decide to self-publish. My goal is always to save authors money. I'm going to make self-publishing easier to understand by showing you a detailed walkthrough of the tools, websites, and services you'll be using. Attendees will receive my free ebook, Self-Publish Your Book Without Breaking the Bank. I look forward to seeing you at the conference.